Hi, this is Lauren Rosenblum, and this is my soundscape, and it's from Shakespeare's The Tempest. It's lines 349 through lines 375 in Act 1, Scene 2. It's between Caliban, Miranda, and Prospero. Hope you enjoy.
Oh ho, wouldn't have been done. Thou didst prevent me. I had people else this hour with Calibans.
Abhorred slave, which any print of goodness will not take, being capable of all ill, I pitied thee, took pains to make thee speak, taught thee each hour one thing or other. When thou didst not, savage, know thine own meaning, but wouldst gabble like a thing most brutish, I endowed thy purposes with words that made them known, but thy vile race, though thou didst learn, had that in it which good natures could not abide to be with. Therefore wast thou deservedly confined into this rock, who hadst deserved more than a prison.
You taught me language, and my profit on it is I know how to curse. The Red Plague rid you for learning me your language.
Hagseed hence, fetch us in fuel, and be quick. Thou'st best to answer other business. Shruggest thou malice? If thou neglectest or dost unwillingly what I command, I'll rack thee with old cramps, fill all thy bones with aches, make thee roar that beasts shall tremble in thy din.
No, pray thee, I must obey. His art is of such power. It would control my dance god Sedebos, and make a vessel of him.
So, slave, hence!
Thank you for listening. The music you heard was Symphonic Metamorphoses by Paul Hindemith, performed by Eugene Miguelaro Corapan and the North Texas Wind Symphony. The sound you heard, Grenade and Dry Leaves Walk, were both from freesound.org.